I will show you how to create a Facebook page on your mobile. Open your Facebook application. Then click on the profile picture on the bottom right. Scroll down Find Pages. Then click Create. You can choose whether for personal or professional. Click Create a new page. Next, determine the name of your page. Determine the category of your pages. Then fill in all of this. After that, you can also add a profile photo. Invite your friends to your pages. Congratulations, you have created a new page.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.